Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can see who likes you for free on Happn. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now for that matter, all you gotta do is simply open up your Happn app. Make sure you're signed in as well. Now if you navigate to the bottom section of the screen, you will find this option of likes. If you tap on it, you will check out all of the profiles and you can see their profiles right over here, and you can even see the count on top, like how many people have actually liked you. So you can see this is how the profile is gonna appear right over here. And if you simply want to check them out who it is, then you have to simply purchase the premium plan of it. You can choose to do it the cheapest one, tap on continue, add in your payment details, and purchase the plan here in Happn, which will also unlock some other features as well. Then you will be able to personally check out all of the profiles who have liked you, and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.